All right, let's go. Let's hold up. All right, I got it. Where I put these joints at? Hold up. All right, my boy. All right, my boy. What was I gonna do? I caught a small, bro. That joint barely hit TP today, and then joint's at Wabing. Bro, that joint barely hit TP. A nice 3R from that G. I'm telling you, that GJ smooth. And then I ain't enter this. I didn't enter this. I'm gonna delete this. I ain't enter this one. Delete this. It was. Let me see that. Let me see what happened today. Yeah, now 30. Yup. What 30 did. I ain't look at the market. All I looked at was GJ today. Yo, I like how 30 looking. I knew it was gonna do. Yup. Let me see that gold. Not gold would have been a good sell. I'm still believing in Boz and 30. I meant Nas. I like Boz for Nas. Oh, it bought today. Let me see. Would you have bought? Where would I bought? Let me see. Let's see. You probably could have bought somewhere. Let's see. Probably not. Maybe somewhere like right. Oh, let's do 5 minutes. I probably would have did like right here. And the stop loss, I probably would have just did like right here. If I was trading Nas. Because anything above, I would have put break even right here because this is where it went from where it broke out here, retest zone. Yeah, I would have went break even, came back. I probably would have went break even right now. Let's see. About to enter that. No. Let's see, delete this. But I feel like it's gonna go out tomorrow. Let's see, gold. You said gold sold? Yeah, I would have sold, like I said, my sell point with gold was right here. Let me delete this because I ain't even enter this. No, I ain't gonna delete it. I entered this. Did I? Which one did I enter? Let me see. Let's see how I look today. Let's delete this. Maybe I probably would have sold like right here. What time is 11? Yeah, I ain't messing with gold. I'll just leave go. I probably won't even have sold because I think it might buy. I think it's gonna buy tomorrow. It can sell off though. I wouldn't be shocked if it do sell off, but let's delete this. I don't. I'll just leave. Go to wrong. Damn. How much accounts you bought? I want to do. I don't want to do long term. I would say I'll do like a long term one, and then wait. What can you trade? Can't you trade stocks on FTMO? So I'm gonna get another one. Yeah, bet. I'm gonna start my jump. I'm starting my jump. What's tomorrow? Not I probably won't trade tomorrow, but I'll probably start. Yeah, maybe if I see a good setup. Yeah. I bought mine yesterday. But yeah, let's see. Hey, what was I looking at? We was looking at gold. All right, gold. Because gold sold off around here. Let's see an hour. I like buys for gold though. I kind of like it. I kind of like the buys. I would like to see I like the buys. I like the buys. I like the buys for gold. Like, let me see. Like, let me get the 5 minute. So boom, it's in the same spot right here. Gold is kind of tricky because boom, once it came back. At most, you can buy right here. And then I wouldn't want to put if it come back down here, it's just going down. Let me see. No, it's not. It can't wick off. This is tough. Cause you buy here. Yeah, I gotta get back on it, man. I'm gonna get back up to it. You can get you a long term. You know them long. I ain't gonna lie. Every time, it's like I make money long term because it's like that's how I came back on my other prop firm account with that jump like 49K, man. I kind of I don't know why. I still got the prop firm account. It's like that E8 jump, but it's like I gave up on that jump. I just did long term trades. Like that's kind of smart. Like when it's like down here, I just buy and just hold for like 2 weeks. I just started doing that. I buy me a long term account and then I get me like a day trading one. I can't scalp. I'm sorry. I don't want to scalp no more. Like being in trades for I don't know. Maybe GJ I can. Maybe. If I do a little bit more studying, I probably can. Like GJ, this was a quick one right here. I entered this joint like 8. I'm glad I won't looking at this. I won't looking at this. That joint just went to TP. Then I just be looking at like other pairs like this. Let me see. And then I'm starting that TikTok jump tomorrow. I just like GJ, man. I don't know. I be trying to look at the other Forex pairs, but GJ just so nice. Yeah. I just made that jump. I had to do a couple of lobs up there. Yeah, let's go back to US 30. Because all I'm gonna do when I get my when I trade the jump, maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday I'll start. Real Friday or Thursday. If I see a good setup, I'll trade. Like all I'm gonna trade is 30. Nas. I ain't even gonna touch gold. Nas and GJ. Yeah, I probably won't. If it's Friday, I'm gonna try to start tomorrow. Then. If I don't see nothing tomorrow, I'll probably just start next week. But we gonna see. So maybe I'll see something Friday. Let me see. Let's see. Let me see what's tomorrow. We got unemployment claims. Let me see Friday. I know. Yeah, Friday crazy. Friday got hella news. And I like GJ. Um. Yeah, it's hella news Friday. Gold. I like gold buys like around here. Let me see Nas. I don't know. Nas, I want to see. I want to see something else. It's like delete this. I don't know. For gold, it's like it broke out here, then it broke out here again. This is the 4 hour joint. It broke out, came back, went up. I still think it got potential to come back here. But if it just come up, like tap here and just go up, I'll just buy. Because it shouldn't go, it shouldn't go down. If it go down, that means it's going down. That's how structure look. Because it's not just gonna go down and then if it go down, it's just gonna keep going down. But if it come here, it's most likely gonna come back up. Nas, I don't know what Nas gonna do. I just know it's gonna have a breakout. Right here, I think it's gonna break out like hard. Because it's been trying to break, like it broke once. It's been trying to break. Every time it does that, it's gonna break hard. Low key, I want to enter somewhere. Like I said, I'll do my long-term account. If it come like down here, I just buy just cause and then just hold it. Like long-term wise. Like 30, I'm not buying long-term. Gold, I wouldn't buy long-term. The only one I buy long-term if it come down a little bit is Nas. The E8 one, I'm at like 49K. I'm at like 49K. I just do long-term trades on that junk, bro. The FTMO is like I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna do a little bit more like day trading. That other joint, I'm gonna just long term. Because when I long term trade, I swear it might take long. It granted, it does take long, but I swear to God, I'll be. It's like you don't really lose. Because I'm like, okay, US 30 is gonna go up, so just buy it. I held it for a week or two. I probably get like 1,800. You know, a little 2% on account, 1.5 on account. It take 2 weeks, granted, but I know guaranteed I'ma pass that shit. So I had to start. I throw that and then the day trading one because sometimes you know the day trading one. Sometimes you lose. It hits your stop loss. When I long term trade, that shit not hitting my stop loss. I'ma just hold it. So I like that long term. It's just it's taking a long time to find like good entries. Like if it was gold enter down here, that's why I don't like. Bro, that's why I like Trade Locker, bro. Trade Locker is probably one of the best brokers. I'm mad. I don't know how MT5 worked. I still didn't use it yet. But Trade Locker, it leverage it for you. Like, say you trying to enter a trade, you be like, I only want to lose 2,000. Like you could 1,800. You could put that in Trade Locker. I don't know if you could do that in MetaTrader. That joint is clutch, bro. I don't even put a lot size. I'd be like, I just want to lose 1,800. That's why I fuck with Trade Lock. Like Trade Lock are hard as hell. You could do that. I know you couldn't do that on MT4. Maybe MT5. Maybe MT5. I know MT4 you couldn't do that. Because I remember MT4, I was trying to get a calculator to do that, John. But MT5, I never used MT5. So you probably can do it up there. I know Trade Locker you could do it. Let me see. I could look at it. I just never used it. Let's see, another trader. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna look at it after this. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna look at it after this. But yeah, for Nas, I ain't got like I said, I don't really be having too much to say. I just be looking at the charts in the morning, see what I could see. I'm trying to go crazy. Yeah, buy another account, man. You gotta go crazy. I just like the one. Yeah, go ahead, buy that junk. I'm about to. If I don't see nothing tomorrow, yeah, most likely I'll probably start next week. If I don't see nothing tomorrow, but like I said, I ain't gonna say nothing because you could see a crazy opportunity. If I don't see no crazy opportunity, I ain't gonna do it. Like 30. Yeah, I ain't really answer it like that. Let's see. Let me feel. I want to get into long term investing though. I'm gonna get into long term. Bro, long term is amazing. Like say like even Amazon. Like say if I bought Amazon like right here. This was 2 months ago. Granted, I would it would have been like right here, but that's 30 points, 2 months, depending. I'd be cool with like investing. Like this would have been a cool profit. Wait till you get to here, boom. I can't wait, bro. I like long term. Now that I think about it, because it's like guaranteed money. Even Meta probably would have bought somewhere like Meta. Said it did a little dip action. Probably would have bought somewhere like right here. Like right here, I would have bought Meta and probably just waited. So I'd have bought Meta what November. By the time it's like January, wait. Yeah, long term, bro. Bro. That's how I'm about to pass my prop firm challenge. I brought that joint back from the dead. Yeah, because the only thing about long term is the money is fucking slow. But it's like you telling me I'm a guaranteed pass my prop firm, so I'll do it, bro. Because every time I held something for like 2-3 weeks, it's like I made money. Yeah, just throw $1 million there. Say you gain like 30%, you get about 300K. You don't even got to think about it. You don't got to think too much. 30%, 300K. Give me that shit. That's all you got to do. 17%, 170K. Give me that shit. Yeah, you don't got to think like that's the only thing I don't like about like we day trade because you really honestly don't got a lot of money. If anyone had a lot of money, a nigga would just be like, bro, let me just unless you just like the thrill of day trading. Some people just like the thrill of it. I just wait till it dip out, bro. Put it right there. Yeah, that's all you gotta do. Put a 2 year option, 3 year option. Something Amazon or something. QQQ. One of these Jones. Wait for the dip. All right, let me buy this for 2 years. Wait a year. Oh my gosh, it's up 100, 200%. Give me that shit. Just made 2 mil. That shit is easy. That's on easy. Yeah, I just don't got the funds because now I'm there. Like I said, I'm long term in my prop firm. When I pass long term it, get me. I take my little $700. I don't give a fuck if it took me a month. Now I think about it. Give me that $700. I'm gonna fund it for my other stuff. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep funding stuff to fund stuff. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. I'm funding the fund. Shit. I might even long term FTMO shit. Nah, it ain't it. I GJ it. I GJ it. Like, but if Nas do come like right here, I would buy it long term on my other joint. I just buy it and just hold it. I know FTMO you can trade stocks though. Forex. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. On this I'm just waiting for anything to drop. Little Robin Hood drop like right here. You just buy on the 17. You probably down for the month. Come up next month, probably down again. But if you wait a little 4 or 5 months, you're gonna be up. That's what almost anything though. Like even Netflix. Netflix, good time to buy. Huge did. Huge did. You buy right here. Can't go down forever. Shit. Only time damn Netflix did go down just 1 year, but and then that's it. Yeah, you ain't even gotta think no more. AutoZone. She's so far. So far been nasty for like I ain't gonna lie, so far been nasty for like 3 months, bro. Like, look, so far about to do something crazy. I don't know what it's gonna do. It's either gonna drop hard or it's gonna rise hard. It might rise hard. So far might rise, bro. Because so far been looking nasty for about 5 months. I ain't gonna lie. I'll buy so far long term and then just because if it breaks out from here, it's going. It's going. I'll do so far. Something like this. I keep this here because I will enter. Like I will literally enter right here. I like this so far though. It just this shit been nasty for too long. Let's see Apple. Let's see. Yeah, I ain't got too much though. Oh, Lily went crazy. Damn. Damn, Lily went this crazy. What is? Yeah, all last year. You see, just invest in these cut lights. I know y'all been told Lily, just invest in it long term. Wait a year or two. Like I'm really about to be on this long term shit. It's some Jones I'ma just hold. Like granted, man, I'm up 300%. I don't care. I know the company gonna keep growing, so I'm gonna just keep investing. Let me see. And then the TikTok, yeah, I'm gonna go live on TikTok tomorrow. Yeah, I'm live TikTok tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do the TikTok. I'm gonna do it earlier because it's gonna merge. I need one more TikTok live to merge it. I don't know why you gotta keep doing that. So I could do all streaming platforms. But I'm gonna just take over. Like I'm gonna post on like Facebook and shit like that too. I ain't trying to go too crazy with content and stuff. I'm just trying to, get some people to watch in, tune in, tap in. I ain't even trying to go too crazy with the content no more. This is really just for me, just a little study vibe. People struggling, we could just chop it up and shit like that. I ain't really trying to run the sell of content and shit. Now that I think about it. Even now that shit could pay you, but it's like I ain't trying to be no content creator like that for real. Bet. I know I made that jump. I'm gonna start that jump tomorrow. Let's see. I just can't wait for the Nas. That's all I'm looking for is Nas and GJ for tomorrow. GJ, let's look at GJ. Let me see the onward zone. It broke out here. I like this buy here. It's a nice buy. It's a nice buy. I'll wait till it come like a little lower. I like this like somewhere like right here. I will see how price reacts right here. But uh probably can't answer. You probably can't answer. Nah. You might can answer somewhere around here. I just wouldn't. Like if it come down a little bit, I'll wait because this answer for me. This hit for me. Little. Made like a little $45. Damn. But yeah, I'm about to start that TikTok joint tomorrow, man. Yeah, just do like we're gonna do this TikTok joint tomorrow. So what else we got? What else we could break down? Even crypto I've been holding. But crypto ain't really been doing shit for real. I ain't made no money off crypto. No money off that crypto. Crypto gonna go crazy though eventually. Yeah, yes, crypto go down one more time. Do one like if crypto do one more push, I'll probably risk a little more. I risk one more. One more. And when this Bitcoin go past what 90K, just go down one more time past 90. Yeah, like 90, yeah. Let me look at the 4 hour. Oh yeah, that's my fault. 86, I mean. I would thought I was looking at the fucking daily. Yes, I like this. Keep dropping. Yes, go lower. Yeah. Long term. This is when the long term investing about to come in. I'm about to throw a little 500. I already do a little 200. It's a little bit in profit, but I'm gonna throw a little 500 and something, and that's it. Yeah, man. Whoa, I'm telling you, get that. You gotta get back on that crypto wave. That crypto, but look. I'm gonna get off this junk, man. I'm gonna do the TikTok tomorrow. I can't wait for the crypto. Yeah, man, we out of here. Let me get on this joint tomorrow. I ain't got too much.